Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to get more customers on your Shopify store. This video is all about helping you expand your customer base and boost sales on your Shopify store. But first, for those new to Shopify, it's an e-commerce platform that allows you to create and run your online store, making it easy to sell products or services. So first is to know your customers. Understanding your customers is essential. Take time to analyze your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and preferences? Knowing your customers inside and out will help you tailor your offerings to meet their specific desires. Next is create a killer homepage. Your homepage is your storefront's first impression. Make it count. Ensure it's clean, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and concise, compelling headlines to quickly convey what your store is all about. Now, optimize your product pages. Product pages play a pivotal role in attracting and retaining customers. Provide detailed descriptions, clear images, and, if applicable, customer reviews. Make the buying process as straightforward as possible to reduce friction. And of course, you need to offer incentives. Everyone loves a good deal. Offer incentives like discounts, free shipping, or loyalty programs to entice customers to choose your store over others. These incentives can tip the scale in your favor. And that's it. You now have a solid foundation for getting more customers to your Shopify store. By understanding your customers, creating an impressive homepage, optimizing product pages, and offering incentives, you're well on your way to success in the e-commerce world. Implement these strategies with care and watch your Shopify store thrive. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to get more customers on your Shopify store. See you on my next video.